We live in Parkes, which is about 5 hours away, and we have no access to things like this. And this has just been so good as a teacher and as a parent.
I'm a GP, I work up in the Northern Beaches, and I just think all issues to do with youth is really important.
Yeah, so Gavina and I are both youth health counsellors, so we work with 12 to 24-year-olds, marginalised and at-risk young people.
Well, I thought it would be like any conference, but in actual fact it's been one of the best conferences I've been to in a long, long time. It's been very informative, challenging, and I've come away with so much information and inspiration, really.
And really good for us to give primary teachers a really good start to think about things that we can look for and places we can go. The list of resources has been fantastic, websites we can go to and things that we can do to look into it.
I didn't expect to be listening to the work about the sexualisation of children, and I'm delighted with that. It was something that was really unexpected and has been really interesting and really stirred me to make an impact.
It's really good awareness, because I guess we see those images every day, and just to actually highlight it, and they kind of really drilled it in, and it's really brought it to my attention. And I've got nieces, and so that kind of rings my alarm bells even more in my heart that, you know, it's really important to have that awareness.
Sort of depression and recognition of depression, and sexualisation of girls I think is also really important, and just targeting advertisers in general and increasing public awareness on that issue.
Anxiety is a big issue. I'm looking forward to the bullying thing, but I think anxiety is a massive issue, and I think that as a parent as well.
There's so many, but I suppose we need basically to protect their childhood. I think if we give them a safe, loving environment and we are there for them to listen to their needs and support them through the hard times and the good times, then we are probably guaranteeing that they will grow up to be balanced adults.
I think it was quite useful for the type of work we do as school counsellors. So, yeah, and especially, all the speakers were good.
Have a great time, meet lots of people, hear lots of good speakers, and it's totally met my expectations, and the food is amazing. I think the venue's been amazing.
Well, I'm a GP by training, not currently working in general practice, but in a non-clinical setting. And it was just a topic that appealed to me, actually.
And that I've just loved it. It's got me very inspired, and it does do you good when you're out in the country and you don't have access to things like this, which is great.